kandi cia NHIF guku bururi-ini ukoragwo uri wa mundu uri yendera gukorwo akiamukira utungata wa kandi iyo indi undu uyu wahota gukinya muthia agikorwo riendekithia ria watho ria riri bunge-ini ya bururi-ini rikuhituka kuringana na riendekithia riri riwo mundu wakinya miaka 18 ni aribataraga gukorwo akioya kandi ino na kurihaga ciringi 500 hari o mweri kana 6,000 oro mwaka. Ona kuhano ugwa nyitite ruhonge-ini ruru rwa ugima wa mwiri ni maugite mubango uyu waya kung'etherwo ni uritu wa gukorwo gicunji kinene kia Kenya ikoragwo giikara muturire wa ukia na maya gukorwo na uritu wa kuriha ciringi 500 na gukinyaniria uria watho uyu ugite.
There needs to be further definition or clustering when it comes to defining who a contributor is in the act, so that we delineate those who can be able to afford and those who cannot be able to afford, and the mechanisms of targeting those who are not able to afford and who pays for them. I think then that becomes practical. But as it stands, until we know exactly what NHIF wants to do with that, it would be very difficult to tell.
No thengia ya uritu uyu kiguni kia watho uyu kiahota gukira moritu maria magikorwo ho.
It puts NHIF in a position where it can do what we call strategic purchasing of health. What does that mean? That they are able to negotiate with the healthcare providers to get a good rate and bring the cost of healthcare down. So that's the first advantage that you can be able to get. Secondly, if everybody pays, then it creates access. So I'm able to access healthcare in a facility and be able to access good medicine and good care from that. So we will end up having a healthier population.
Watho uyu utanyite gutigirira Akenya milioni 16 na aria mari na makiria ma miaka 18 ni meyandikithia amuno Akenya milioni 8.8 meyandikithitie gukorwo makiamukira motungata makadishi kwa hinda riri. Riri tirio rita ria mbere watho ta uyu gutemanio bunge-ini ya bururi amu gavana wa Kitui Charity Ngilu riria ari minister wa ugima wa mwiri mwaka-ini wa 2003 nginya 2007 endekithitie watho ta uyu ona gutuika rendekithia-ini riake endekithitie thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya kigina kuheanaga ciringi bilioni 11 o mwaka niguo kurihira andu aria matari na uhoti wa kuriha kigina kia NHIF. Kwa ihinda riri Akenya maguthie na mbere na gweterera niguo kumenya kana undu uyu ni urikinyanira muthia. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Ritũra Wanjiru wa Foro.